Okay, next problem number 6. Integration of e power 3x plus e power 5x by e power x plus e power minus x. Generally, students what they'll try to do is converting this e power x minus x as 1 by e power x they'll try to do. But a simple method we have here, that is, here what you have to do is take out e power 4x common from the numerator. On taking e power 4x common from the numerator, what you are going to see, what you are going to get, you see, so e power minus x plus e power x only we are going to get by, what is the denominator, e power x plus e power minus x only. Okay, so obviously these two gets cancelled. Otherwise, if you have any doubt, you multiply this. E power 4x into e power minus x is e power 3x. This is this one. Next, what is e power 4x into e power x? It is e power 5x only. Okay, so e power 4x, if you take common, these two gets cancelled. This is equal to integration of e power 4x dx. So e power 4x integration is e power x derivative integration is e power 4x only by 4 we have plus c. Okay, that is your question number 6. Coming to question number 7, integration of a power mx into b power nx dx we have. So this is nothing but, this can be written as what? Integration of a power m into b power n whole power x we can write. Why? Because here a power m whole power x, b power n whole power x we have. So I am writing this as a power m into b power n whole power x dx we can write. Now again, this a power m or b power n, it's a constant. Means completely you take this value as some k. So k power x or a power x formula only. So a power x formula is a power x by log a. So a power m into b power n whole power x by log of a power m into b power n only we are going to get plus c. Okay, so problem number 8. Integration of cos 2x into cos 3x dx. Okay, so here what we will do is multiply and divide with 2 first of all. 1 by 2 of 2 cos 2x cos 3x. So how many of you remember formulas from transformations? 2 cos A cos B formula. 2 cos A cos B is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So cos A plus B is, cos A plus B is 2x plus 3x is 5x. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. 2x minus 3x. That is minus x. But cos of minus x is cos x only. Why? Because cos minus theta is equal to cos theta only. Okay, all dx. So this is equal to half of integration of cos 5x dx plus half of integration of cos x dx. That is nothing but half of cos x integration is sin x by 5 will get plus cos x integration is sin x plus c. Okay, next question number 9. Question number 9, integration of sin power 4x dx. So which is equal to integration of, write this as sin square x whole square dx, and we know the formula for sin square x, that is 1 minus sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square dx. So 1 minus cos 2x whole square, if you expand, in the denominator we will get 4. So 1 by 4 I am writing out a minus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 2ab is 2 cos 2x we will get whole dx. Again further we have to simplify this. 1 by 4 of integration of 1 plus cos square 2x is what? Cos square 2x is 1 plus cos 4x by 2 plus 2 cos 2x dx. So 1 by 4 of integration of 2 plus 1 plus cos 4x plus 4 cos 2x by 2 dx. So this is equal to 1 by 8 of 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus cos 4x plus 4 cos 2x whole dx. So what I tried here, power 4 initially I have, next I reduced it into squares, next after that completely the powers, we don't have powers here now. So if we don't have powers, directly we have the formulas in the integration we can apply. So whenever you get power 4, power 2, power 3 also in trigonometric ratios, try to reduce them. So try to remove that powers by using some formulas. Okay, so next continuation. So this is equal to 1 by 8 of integration of 3 plus cos 4x plus 4 cos 2x we have dx. So that is equal to 1 by 8 of integration of 3 is 3x, integration of cos 4x is sin 4x by 4 plus integration of 4 is a constant, we can write it out. 4 is a constant. Cos 2x integration is sin 2x by 2 plus c. So this is the final answer. Further if you want you can simplify, it's not a problem. Okay, next coming to question number 10. What is question number 10? Cos x by 8. Okay. Question number 10, integration of cos x minus cos 2x by 1 minus cos x. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so cos x minus cos 2x by 1 minus cos 2x dx we have here, which is equal to integration of here write this cos x minus this cos 2x. We have formula. What is the formula here? 2 cos square x minus 1 is the formula for this, by 1 minus cos x dx we can write. So here it is equal to integration of cos x minus 2 cos square x plus 1 by 1 minus cos x dx. So which is equal to, here taking minus common we can write it like this, 2 cos square x minus cos x minus 1 by 1 minus cos x dx we can write. So which is equal to minus of, we can write this as factors here. The factors are 2 cos x plus 1 into cos x minus 1 by, here minus if you take common, cos x minus 1 will get. Okay, observe this, otherwise no problem. So 2 cos x into cos x is cos square x, 2 cos x minus cos x we have minus 2 cos x plus cos x is minus cos x, and here, so these factors are not a problem. So these two gets cancelled, now minus of minus become here plus. So we are left with integration of 1 plus 2 cos x dx. So integration of 1 is x plus 2 is a constant, cos x integration is sin x plus c. This is the final answer. Next, question number 11. That is question number 11. Integration of sin 2x into cos square x dx. So here also it is equal to integration of sin 2x into cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx we can write. So that is equal to sin 2x, so half we can write it out. On multiplying this with 1, sin 2x plus sin 2x into cos 2x will get. Okay, next here multiply and divide with 2 here. Okay, so that is equal to half of sin 2x plus, this is what 2 sin x cos x form we have, so it becomes half of sin 4x dx. So this is equal to half of sin 2x integration is minus cos 2x by 2 plus again 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 minus cos 4x by 4 plus c. So on multiplication further, what you will get? Minus cos 2x by 4 minus cos 4x by 16 plus c is the final answer. Next, last question, 12th one. Integration of sin square x dx, which is very simple. Sin square x formula is what? In terms of cos, 1 minus cos 2x by 2 is the formula here, which is can be written as integration of 1 by 2 dx minus integration of cos 2x by 2 dx. So which is equal to half integration is x by 2, 1 by 2 is a constant, minus 1 by 2 of cos 2x integration is sin 2x by 2, which is equal to x by 2 minus sin 2x by 4 sin 2x by 4 plus c. So this is the final answer. So after this, we'll meet in the next video.